Hey there, fellow SharePoint enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add a web part to a SharePoint page in 2025. If you're new to SharePoint or just upgrading to the 2025 features, web parts are like supercharged widgets that let you add dynamic content, such as lists, images, or even news feeds, to your pages. They're essential for customizing your site and making it more interactive. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. If you haven't already, head over to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to add the web part. It's that simple, just click on the page from your site contents or dashboard. Now, to start editing, look for the Edit button at the top right corner of the page. In SharePoint 2025, the interface is even more intuitive, with a sleek design to help you work faster. Click Edit, and you'll enter the page editing mode. Here, you'll see a toolbar appear. Spot the plus icon, which is your gateway to adding web parts. Click on it, and a panel will pop up showing all available web parts. SharePoint 2025 has expanded options, like AI-powered recommendations, so choose the one that fits your needs, whether it's a document library, a news web part, or something more custom. After selecting your web part, drag and drop it into the desired section of the page. Then, configure it by clicking on the Settings gear. You can adjust properties like title, layout, or data sources. Take a moment to tweak it for the best look. Once you're happy, hit Save, and then Publish to make your changes live. Voila! Your page is now updated and ready for users. A quick tip: if you run into issues, like permissions errors, double-check your site settings or ensure you're in the right mode. SharePoint 2025 also includes better error messages to guide you. And remember, experimenting with web parts can really enhance collaboration in your team. There you have it. That's how to add a web part in SharePoint 2025. It's a game changer for site customization. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.